Vice President of the Walls from Iran and all delegates, I welcome you to this grand gala gathering of 4th World Conference. I feel immense pleasure to present amidst you all for these 2 days when can we have the lights on the podium, please? Thank you. I feel immense pleasure to be present amidst you all for 2 days, which is going to be mind-blowing from eminent speaker in this latest field of minimal invasive surgery. Days are gone by when bigger the incision, bigger used to be the surgeon. Now the smaller the incision or no incision at all, which is in the NOTES, N-O-T-E-S, that is natural orifice transluminal endoscopic surgery, about which you will all hear later in the series of lectures in the present day surgery. Professor R.K. Mishra started this mission in 2002 from very humble beginning in Lajpat Nagar, which has outgrown to this present day complex in Gurgaon, where we are all sitting today. Usually surgeons training do not like to waste time. Just assist, watch, and then start doing independent surgery on your own. But Professor Mishra is an exception. He assists every trainee surgeon to perform and learn basic and advanced laparoscopy surgery, even suturing, knotting, dissection skills he imparts on a trainee one. He has added a robot in his armamentarium, which gives a three-dimensional view, comfort of the surgeon sitting over a console rather than standing and operating without any jerky hand movements. For the uninitiated, which I believe would be few in this august gathering, I would like to dwell a few minutes on this wonderful Da Vinci surgical system about which we saw this morning. The benefit it has in its inherent instrument. According to the company, the Da Vinci system is called Da Vinci in part because Leonardo da Vinci invented the first robot. According to the Italian academic Mario Tadei, Da Vinci also used anatomical accuracy and three-dimensional details in this work. It does not act on its own, and its movements are controlled by the surgeon. The Da Vinci surgery system has 3D high definition vision system with special instruments and computer software that allows the surgeon to operate with enhanced vision, precision, dexterity and control. The 3D HD image can be magnified up to 10 times so that we can have a close-up view of the operating area. The Da Vinci instrument has a mechanical wrist, which you have seen this morning, that bend, rotate 360 degrees to minimize the movements of the human wrist, allowing precise movement without hand tremors on the instruments involved. The Da Vinci surgery system is commercially available for gynae, urological, general, cardiac, thoracic, head and neck surgery. Although robotic surgery gives an impression that the operation is performed autonomously, but it's wrong, as it is designed not to be an autonomous system. It lacks decision making and software. Instead, it relies on human operator for all inputs, including vision and motor functions through remote human-computer interaction. The Da Vinci system could be potentially used to perform truly remote operations via satellite link as telesurgery. In 2001, Dr. Morsiak and his team from IRCAD used a combination of high-speed fiber optic connection with average delay of 155 milliseconds with advanced asynchronous transfer mode and G's telemanipulator to successfully perform the first transatlantic surgery procedure covering a distance between New York and Strasbourg, that is France, from France to New York. The event was considered a milestone of global telesurgery and was dubbed as Operation Lindbergh. I'm sure you know all about Lindbergh. To refresh the memories, Charles Lindbergh first flew transatlantic non-stop in 1927. FDA of US has cleared Da Vinci surgery in 2002 for adult pediatric use in urological, general surgical, gynae, thoracic, and to be used as adjunctive mediastomy to perform coronary anastomosis during cardiac revascularization. I am sure it's going to be modern surgery. In US, Da Vinci surgery is number 1 option chosen by women with gynae cancer. In men, prostatic cancer, it is used in 4 out of 5 surgeries to remove the prostate. World Laparoscopic Hospital is ISO certified 9001-2008. Fellowship and diplomas are university accredited. Hands-on training is accepted by government of more than 100 countries. Surgeons from all over the world, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, USA, African countries, come, learn and get trained. The patients come from all over the world to get surgery performed, thus promoting health migration to India. WALS is probably only one institute which imparts complete free laparoscopic and robotic surgery to socially underprivileged people irrespective of their race, color, language, class, creed, religion or region. These are the basic qualities which made WALS to grow on its present size from very humble beginning. I know Dr. Mishra hails from a small, dusty town of Samastipur in Bihar. I would say he fits well in Kabir's famous couplets. Yeh tan bis ki belri, gur amrat ki khan, शीश दिए जो गुर मिले तो भी सस्ता जान. For non-Hindi audience, I would translate it as body and mind is poisonous ivy, and Guru, the teacher, is a pot of nectar, and even by sacrificing your head, if you get a true teacher, it's very cheap. With these remarks, I would end my speech to get on well with the real stuff from learned speakers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.